folks, back at you with another video. It's a tiny little tool haul and the new September Cornwell flyer. Got this from Cornwell. It's the back probing kit with the straights in the 90s on there, 45s or whatever. So I got tired of using welding wire, so that's what I did before that. So figured I'd upgrade and do something like that. And then the other thing we got is the Milwaukee high-speed ratchet tall shift knob. And not that I have to, but we're going to put it in this one that I modified, the 1/4-inch body with the 3/8 anvil. I'm going to stick it in here and see how that works. Alright, let's get into the flyer real quick. BOGO deal. And there you get the extension set. Long flex head wrenches, just like the mountain wrenches are. Some flashlights, those are great. Some kind of creeper, I don't know. Couple toolbox, or this is a toolbox, I guess. Half-inch drive universal driveline socket set for $120. Some double swiveling or flexing ratchet wrenches. And if you buy this Power Pro, you get a free flashlight. Some tool carts. Some more wrenches there. Let's go down this way. Some Blue Power deep impact sockets. 10 mil set right there. Some stubby flex ratchet. More ratcheting wrenches. That's flex. These are just regular ones. And some stubbies. Alright. Torque wrenches. Precision instrument. That is a great torque wrench right there. And this one here actually looks pretty nice. Not a bad price for $625. $625. 3/4-inch drive. And this is the torque wrench and the breaker bar, so you can take the torque wrench part off of it, put the breaker bar on there, and then you get a 3/4-inch long handle breaker bar. Some punches. Rotor calipers, hose clamp pliers, and some long needle nose pliers. I got that one ordered. That's on its way. And they got some knives. Well, you never know. If you're ever in the shop and you need to chop a tree down, you got one of them if you want to buy that. Some air tools here, impacts. Big mamma jamma there, 1-inch drive. Mini air ratchet. Super Duty air ratchet. Air hammer. Diagram it there. Little belt sander. Extra long die grinder. I got one, something similar to that, different brand, but it's handy because it makes it a lot easier to keep that in control because you can put one hand right there and then the other hand right there at the trigger. And you can do a lot better job in keeping your die grinder straight. Pencil die grinder set for $160. Nice motorcycle lift. I know a couple people that might find that handy. Under hoist stand, 1,500 pounds for $170. And then they got their big service jack here for $360. Tire changing machine. Even got a whole lift for sale. And a tire balancer. More air tools. This one here is with the flex head for $200. And that one there is $166.95. And that's the long extended cutoff wheel. Air saw, drill, another drill, another drill, another drill. Some quick connects. And then they got some flashlights here for $34. USB rechargeable. Stinger, $182. And that's the Power Probe Modular light, work light. So you can take this out and place them all over, or you can set them all in this holder right here, and then you got like a bigger, big light bar. And then they got some more lights here. Some Diac stuff. And you got some more stuff right here. Got an all-tail there for $830. Multimeter. Smoke machine for $1,150. Everybody knows that from Lang. Power Probe Master Kit. It's actually a pretty nice little kit right there. Wireless chassis ears for $300. Test lead kit. That's the kit that I got. $25 doll hairs. Crimping tools, wire strippers. Relay bypass kit. Wireless charging stand with fast charger. Alright, let's get into the next page. Underhood. Fuel injection, quick test kit. It's a handy set to have right there. And then they got their AC machines right here. Cooling system adapter kit. That's a nice thing to have when you do AC. I got that kit right there. That's great. I got this one here too. It's a nice kit. Already used it a couple times. Works awesome. And this here's just the airlift. Nice set. Slide hammer. And then that looks like a Mighty Vac or something or another. Front end service kit. Inner tie rod tool. Ball joint kit. And there is. That's a big set right there. Bearing and puller set right there for $195. Not too bad. Blind hole bearing puller set. Brake bleeder. Oh yeah. Pinion bearing race driver set right there. Exhaust remove pliers. Some stuff for body work. Got that Lyle hood prop. That's actually been pretty good. Got something similar to that. I don't know how it is with you guys, but it feels like 100 degrees right now, and I am not really in the mood to think about long sleeve t-shirts. Jeez. There's some air compressors, welder, little welder cart, torch, a couple welding helmets right there. Now we're at the last page. Air hammer. And another BOGO deal right here. You buy this, you get that for $335.90. Alright folks, that's it. Like I said, little tool haul. So, alright. Please like and subscribe. It helps the channel out a lot. And we're going to catch you guys on the next one. Alright. Peace out.